O my God, O my God, verily this plant hath yielded its fruit, and standeth upright upon its stalk. Verily it hath astounded the farmers, and perturbed the envious. O God, water it with showers from the cloud of thy favours, and cause it to yield great harvests, heaped up like unto mighty hills in thy land. Enlighten the hearts with a ray shining forth from thy kingdom of oneness. Illumine the eyes by beholding the signs of thy grace, and gratify the ears by hearing the melodies of the birds of thy confirmations, singing in thy heavenly gardens, so that these souls may become like thirsty fish swimming in the pools of thy guidance, and like tawny lions roaming in the forests of thy bounty. Verily thou art the generous, the merciful, the glorious, and the bestower. Abdu'l-Bahá.